Guys, look at the desert. It was all desert when we are going there. And guys, that was my daddy driving. Popcorn last night and they're still white and delicious. So guys, it's been there for 4 hours and we're gonna reach our room and play with these cool fidget toys. Well, they're from my solar system. So guys, I will see you at our room and I think we're almost there but not fully. I think. Guys, see the camels. Wow, look at them. Camels live in desert. Wow, they're so cool. Guys, this is Itra and I'll talk about this in the next video. So guys, yeah, we gone to the hotel and I'm gonna show you the room too. Okay, here's our room. Let's go in. Wow, guys, look at this. So this is a mirror, and this is some coffee table or something. And this is, the bathroom. This is the bathroom. And this is, that's not a bathtub, that's a shower. And okay guys, so this is a mirror, and this is the bed, and this is some few chairs, and this is the TV. And guys, guess what we ate for dinner? It's pizza! Wow! So guys, this is how they make the pizza. First they roll the dough, and then they put it there, and then they flatten it. They make it into a circle, and then, wow, they put some sauce, wow. Guys, look how many sauce there is. Now they put some toppings. Oh, I think that's our pizza. I don't think so, but let's see out. And then, after they put the toppings, they put it in the oven. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Subscribe to my channel. And remember, the name is Ridiculous. Bye-bye.